Introduce highlight features or overview summary of KERWINN Universal 200 amp automatic transfer switch with power management. There are features include core function, fully automatic switching for uninterrupted power. This unit performs fully automatic monitoring and switching between utility and generator power sources. It instantly transfers the electrical load to the generator upon detecting a utility power failure or abnormal voltage drop, ensuring an uninterrupted power supply for your home or business. Once utility power is restored to a stable level, it automatically switches the load back. Robust construction and broad single-phase compatibility. Built with a weatherproof NEMA, 3R enclosure and a heavy-duty contactor for durability and reliable performance. Rated for single-phase, 200 amp, 120/240 volt systems, it is designed for broad compatibility with mainstream residential and light commercial single-phase generators. Integrated load management for smart power allocation. A key feature is the built-in load management technology. Without requiring any additional accessories, it can automatically manage and prioritize up to 4 individual HVAC loads, intelligently staggering their operation to prevent generator overload during high-demand periods. Seamless replacement for OEM models. This model serves as a direct and fully compatible replacement for the Generac RXSW200A3 automatic transfer switch. It is engineered for seamless integration with Generac Evolution and Nexus generator controllers for a plug-and-play solution. Comprehensive safety. Overvoltage protection and manual disconnect. For complete safety, it includes an overvoltage protection device to safeguard connected appliances. It also features a manual disconnect switch, allowing for the safe isolation of the property from the utility grid for maintenance or emergencies. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.